You're freaky? You know I'm single? I have no girlfriend. Put wine in your bottom? Me not do them something, you're mad? That's nasty.
Babe, who you on the phone with?
May I talk to Jesus? The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
Yeah, so we are going to chase some.
Who you on the phone with?
Hello? Yeah, what's up?
Wait, where you going?
No, yeah?
Let me see your phone.
It's my phone, not yours.
Let me see your phone. Let me see your phone.
Yeah, man, I buy strawberry them from yesterday, man. Rascal whipped cream there.
Babe.
Can I come over? Yeah. But they want my cook. I cook soup.
Babe, who you talking to?
Nobody?
Yeah, there, man. Yeah,
Who you on the phone with?
Wait, say, mommy? Yeah. It there, but just buy flour.
Who?
Give me.
Hey, can you come link me tomorrow, you know, because she not go there tomorrow, you know, so you can come link me.
Who you on the phone with? Give me your phone.
No.
Give me your phone.
No.
Where you going?
No.
Let me see your phone.
No.
Babes, ready? Come, let's go.
Babe, I can't find my phone. Let me borrow your phone to call my mother.
Nine one one. No. I want a phone. Yeah, bill. No.
Yeah, man, me soon left her, you know. Yeah, are you me go there with? Yeah.
Wait, where you going?
Yeah, your pum pum what?
Who you on the fucking phone with?
Me can't have a shit in peace. I do me, I do. Sure.
Yo, these are some steps of to be a real Jamaican badman. You have to have the badman outfit. Clarks have to dip on feet. And then your pants, cut off foot pants or fold up foot pants. Anyone. Toothbrush off in your back pocket for your Clarks. Then your kerchief in your back pocket. Preferably on the right. Because you know see a 3-star ratchet dip on the left. You have to have your Jamaican color marina, mesh marina.
Gangster for life.
Real Jamaican badman party stance. Your left foot after the forward, your right foot a build back. You have to find a corner in the party and just a build. Music of loud.
Me no care where you back from, audience where you track from. Gunshot make you fall like the bridge over London. When they kick you like Van Damme. This me out of east and me buck you over Boston. Head a bust like gas fan. Bullet with gunpowder.
The badman walk. And you have 3 types of badman walk. 1, the crab walk. 2, you have to go look a girl walk.
Hey girl, come here man, bumbuckle. Hey girl, come here man.
And 3, the war walk.
What's a boy feel like? Last man, no you run up on me, you know, me emotional, you know you. No, you run up on man, you know.
As a Jamaican badman, you have to be a girl store. You have to have a whole heap of baby mother. But you have to have your booby, the one where you live with. Jamaican badman is anywhere. When you're in a party, your favorite song come on, anything you done here, beat down your blood clot.
Them are no gangster
Or you bust beer blank and every man gun sound different.
I'm just saying, girl. Never mind the group is and the fame, girl. I know it's messing with your brain, girl, but I never meant to drive you insane. Everything is still the same, girl. I want you to have my last name, girl. I'ma make you bad, but I could be your Rogan.
And I made it.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do. Until next time, this is your boy Kamika. Peace.